Hi, this is Carmen Pharris with your NGA Team Realty. Welcome to 6147 Dahlonega Highway in beautiful Claremont, Georgia. We're currently flying over this 19-acre horse farm featuring 6-stall barn, 2 fenced pastures, creek through the property with water year-round. All has been cleared and stumped to add extra pasture. Come meet me on the front porch and let's take a look inside. We've just landed, so come on inside and take a look at this great house.
Okay.
You have this amazing long front porch. Step into the office, which could be a den, but they've obviously made it a working office.
All right.
Come with me this way to the family room.
Sure.
Have a great gas log fireplace. Lots of room.
Yeah. Then we're going next.
You're going to go into the eat-in kitchen. You have a nice eat-in dining room. Your country kitchen with an island. And if you'll walk this way with me, it has a formal dining room as well.
I see.
And then we're going to follow me around this island, Kenny. You have a great walk-in pantry, a large laundry room.
Where's the master?
Master is going to come right here.
Nice.
Nice wooden ceilings, wood floors, and they have added this wooden door, barn door, and just recently updated this bathroom. As you can see, there's no shower doors, but they're coming. They're on order. And then they did a cedar closet in the master.
All right.
Come with me and I'm going to show you a great sunroom to spend your mornings.
Sure. Look at the view. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Do we have a secondary bedroom?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Let's go check.
Come with me. It is a split plan, so your additional 2 bedrooms on the main are on the other side of the house. And
Is that Jack and Jill?
It has a Jack and Jill bathroom, yes. Okay. That leads all the way through to the other bedroom.
I'll go through here.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay.
Do we have deck?
Do we have what?
The deck?
Yes, you have a large deck that's covered on the back and partially uncovered.
Okay.
So, and this deck also extends underneath on the basement the full length of the house. The basement is partially finished. It has 2 rooms that are completed, lots of storage, and a full bath downstairs.
Awesome.
You have a fenced dog lot in addition to your 2 pastures.
Okay. All right. Tell us about your team and your service.
I'm Carmen Pharris. I'm an associate broker with your NGA Team Realty. Be happy to show you this house. My number is 770-561-3593.
Thank you.
Thank you.